What's up, guys? What's Short Tech here, and today we're going to be opening up this Mavic Mini Fly More combo. Now, this took a while for me to get, probably because this is the biggest DJI drone out right now. Everyone is buying it. It is amazing that it's under 250 grams, which means you don't have to register it, which is amazing. So, let's take this out of the box. This is a nice hard case. We will look into this later, but it feels really good, feels really sturdy. Next thing we're taking out, I'm pretty sure, is the propellers. And the next two things, I have no idea what they are. Maybe one of them's a battery, maybe one of them's a charger. Who knows? We'll see when we open it later. Alright, so the first one we're opening up is this big box. These are the propeller guards. Nice. So let's open these up. I believe all you have to do is clip these onto the propellers, but I'm not sure. I'll figure it out when I start my review of this drone later in the week or later in the month. Depends whenever I get to the time to do the review. Okay, next thing, this looks like a bunch of... Oh yeah, it's all manuals. I guess we'll go over it later when I start setting up the drone. This one... The power bricks. Not the power bricks, the batteries. Oh, why am I saying power bricks? These are the batteries. There's 3 in here, which is good. Set these to the side. And this one should be the charger. Why is all these boxes so difficult to open? Pretty sure I opened up backwards. So that's everything in this box, or this set. So next is this. It has the drone, which is nice, really light. Didn't think it was gonna be that light, but it really is light. So we put that there, and this should be the power bank. Yep, it's the power bank. So these have power in this. But yeah, this has a USB plug on the side. You can charge other things with it, like your phone, which is really nice. This is the controller, which I'll get into more later. Let's see. Okay. More boxes. Let's see. These have the extra propellers. I'm probably going to leave these in the box, actually, with screws at the middle. That's nice. So they're all like together. Let's put these back in the box. I don't want to lose them, because I probably will lose them, because that's my life. And these, if I could get to them, these should be all the wires that you need for the drone. So I'm assuming the wire to charge the drone and charge the power bank, or... Oh, these are the extra joysticks for the propeller. Nice. Yep, there they are. These are the wires. So we have the wires for the phone, the wire for the charging case, and the charge of the drone, which is nice. So I don't... Oh, we do get a second one. Cool, cool. I don't really want to lose these. Leave them out now, I guess. But yeah, these are definitely the wires that you plug into the controller and the phone. Okay, so we're going to open up the controller, because this thing is kind of cool. So the joysticks are actually down here at the bottom. You can like screw them in. You can do the same thing to the other side. And to flip up the antenna is just the twist and then upwards, twist and upwards. It's very nice. And the little part down here you pinch together to pull out the battery. It's not hard to do, it's just you gotta pinch it in right to do it. I know there's a couple of videos that said it was really hard to do, but it's not that hard. This thing isn't charged, I gotta charge it later and really go through it. But yeah, that's the battery charging. And let's put everything away so you can see how everything stacks up. All the charging extra cables over there, that there, put that over there, put the controller right there, nice, and we're done. So anyways, the Mavic Mini Fly More combo. This is everything that comes in it. This, I cannot wait to start flying and to start doing my review. It's going to take a little while for me to get that done, but I'll probably be uploading other videos in between to, get everything good. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.